32 after 3.
On the regular, your blessings of
If I me more hana it's the same. Bibia boko there. And Thursday, the 17th of January 2019. Ebrana Sansu BM said, Ofie Kwanso mede a 2-hour baby bia obia. As like I say, and come out. So they are to 106.3 FM now. UTA and Sabre. Yamin Shaw. No come home. Said you that I know. Jumadia Tatemua Copim Sabebo Numenusia. Let him say a source of pet, not and Numenusia Casebo. Naked. Son your friend was here the brow at the brow raw. Sherry said the jar. And something you know. You better go ahead, Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. So one more time, good afternoon to you and welcome to your own show, Thursday's edition. And do well to stay here with us from now till 6. Yes, Semreno. Yabamo Akwenya na won't sweat to me. Abba Jumedi so. Offendi can with Jumedi so no. Yatuni near Radiaye. Now also fashion near Radiaya man what the Radiase. Numbers near the Jumedi 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562 and 0268 499 347. Hit me up one time. Hello, first caller. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Ross, eh?
Patrick, Sister Joa, I'm refusing you to watch him.
Sister Joa, Boko,
Boko, Bradley.
Yeah, the Namia said you.
Bradley, Namia say. Talk to about me home by. Minima Busi and Ma. I never want to do my Kenya because Thomas Nina. And more Jerry so. I remember Nina home by. The day I'm say, Uncle Sonia is our mamma. Amen.
Amen. Why, Nina? Next caller, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Bradley.
Patrick Frost, eh?
Your friend Ike.
Ike, I'm going to Patrick into it.
Your Bradley, me that I just say one and Bamba, the Adom. Then it's a fish here in Yankopa, Mamma, Obama, buying the mixture. I find full card and look at the Mebanakas and Copon. And Adom and I won. Madame, now Copon Sababa at the mouth, Bradley, go to quiet you. No, do I call about you.
Amen. Amen. That's a fine.
If I tell Madam Pat.
Okay.
I cover I wish. And I practice phoning you now, I'm sure we are.
Right, yeah, that's it. Hello.
Bradley.
Hey, what's wrong?
Bradley, I'm home today.
Yamia do Bibia Boko.
What's in your Gunenku?
Nabibia Boko, dear.
Yanko for Nado Bibia Boko.
Yeah, then Yamia say, oh,
the ABC means you, Paddy, and my email. I am in Shabby.
Amen.
Now, Bradley, Madame Yanko for us to be. And we are going to Kuo Mano. She said to one of your Abamami. And Canina, Miss Sunio Mau. Who's annual? And Yama Kuntai. Aha. Now, personal, Bradley, no, you pass Sunio, and Yanko for Nadum. It does see a see. Now, Bradley, yes, dear, missing Hona, what I said, you know what that is, and I say we will. They are done, Yanko Padum, that said, Yasidia. Now, better Yanko Ponsi, new free for this on that anti-beast. Oh, Choba, Salam Dam, the Rasi, Yami himself, Master Richard, Chema 1, Fort Mamidrasi. Raja Yamisha, Nabon, why?
Amen, amen, amen. Begama, it's Richie. Yeah, trust your friend, next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Raja.
If I try from him.
But your friend is here,
all right, if you're patriotic too.
You, Madam Yanko asked the brain, I am a minute of this. Well, this year, near Sydney, I'll say to the young back. That's all money behind, and I can't say that I say. I'm not going to why am I am. I'll do some on your mind. Then I see my apprentice. I don't know if I'm putting a teaching the corner of body. Bloody hard, she or teaching it, but I don't see it. No, there are that man, right?
You. You never did. What? Hello, next caller.
Hello, Noah.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Mauza Opa, never say.
Adom
Great. Me pacho into
Get away there.
Yamiado, me where pa.
Then you must pass and you can do it to Canada and what the job to dream. Amen. Then you must say the more papa, pass over my maton, come to Canada.
That's it.
Adam is used to be in the same coupon saying, why be a mammy. Every day, a driver, I mean, I'm Dibia. Baby, obey when I went to men do now. Oh, yeah, and Madam, this Marco Harper army will be in a sequence of farm and coupon say, oh, Amen. That's a address and I made my coupon say, my work free move. I was going to be saying now, what was that? I make it while I treat with it now, so I'm going to open no yet. Into the reaction, I go man, what in saying one day, any of Doy Fambu or mine, Famboy, your home, bra. Sana, a graduate, also, I admire Mamma Quincy. My man, and then go past me. Hope you're and we should have a amen. If I be with somebody, I bet coming to Moon Calvin, and some of my say, a ship for I don't point out if I can go home. And I was my uncle say, Uncle Mamma, passing to Mumitra. Amen. Okay, I do nothing beyond the Uncle Mamma at the man. You know, I'm a call of Sabbath. Why? Yeah, that's it, Yamisha Pa. Archie, oh, Agunankum. Me patcho unyum ni niwai. Obapa Christy was swimming. 21 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Fine afternoon.
Patcho Frosty.
Me patcho your premier question is me kasefi adwuma kokoko ben.
Wasi akwa ba yentie we. Me patcho yentie wasi.
Yo. Ma me pese me kan say hello.
Yentie okoso.
Me chia me krom kokobin fu nyina
me patcho me tie
2018 ye gure me ya bugura 2019
me tie on radio no so I the kasa phone so go on and talk to us me tie on radio no so ansa wansan kasa the kasa phone so sa straight yenko
Jerry ma me pese me no kan say ya me ya doma 28 January me ware ewo ejuma kokoko ben
yo
enti me fra adma from wi na de mombra na mombo ame
yo Papa Bills wa body
tinkunti bye
bye ya hwe nanim no beba and then we are yes boy near fresh boy. A nice guy. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
What's your friend saying?
Your family I'm from
Ura Kwaba.
Yes,
He patrol into it.
And then I'm here for your home fine. I'm your fetch a mother for dream. Motor do one retire. You can't say rather than Tanasi. Ya which man in a mono. A raditi a pampa. You can't say no yam and candy. Yet that was saying that ora. What she is so. What boy in your home by Adom have so much my phone, you know, you may rap. What one home by Amienta and Carboni Bia. I can say no yam cow. Yet that was it. Yet that was saying that. Gradually, the sounds were near the made the entire say Emma, your papa, Apostle Ben Eli, and then the mammy Mary Eli, and now Apostle Doko Apostle Patrick, I see you do, and your district pastor, Paul Kwanso, and you didn't check a fear by Emma. I will see this now and Janko Bibia. Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's the part. Yes, hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Roger.
Hey, Patrick from saying.
Patrick, I'm doing a cafe good to junction.
All right, Patrick in Tiwe.
Mr. Medem, Radiasi Bebre, Elm. David the Castle, you are saying, I'm fan share a radiant name 1 year in a day. No man, I'm quite your crew and the my boy at needing. Rather, you're showing a radia Mayan. If it is as I catch the BBC and then you never been a shot here, and so you should be my young home. I mean, I'm bushing for the association and I make a answer with the radiation. with the radio said the mama staff man in Anquahu, Victory Assembly, Shaman, York District, the Church of Pentecost. Kase the radiative break. Roger Metia for me, Nubina, with the sea. Metia Antina, our Gucci Junction. Michia Market on the Suan number 1, and I'm Michia manager work with Mass Energy. And I'm Michia, I'll say I'm in the year, and I'm in Wapina. Right, Jerry. Bye bye. Ever for last 2 calls now, yeah, dear Sinafi, the Median Kayaka, Twasso, way of Fendi Kanye Radia, Ofie Kwanso Media, so Adom 106.3 FM. Last but one caller, hello.
Hello, brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
Patrick Frost.
Within my co-friend Christian, so what say, yeah.
You deal with
the Kasia Shama. I'm the radiasi. On the Brebel, I am my so they are Shafiasi. I be doing dead diet or so. Do see I was swimming why are they? I don't have to say. I'm going to get with but now the brother only be.
There be.
Oh, I'm do piano for like frosters, no. I can draw Obi Kumio. Yeah, me Adom. Margin here fast. Yes, Uncle, they hear me. Now, so you need to me the radiasi. My recording to them, it messed enough for number so. You, I'm so Martin because. One man won't die. I finished as no so.
Okay.
Now you need to me the radiator. Never down. I don't.
We need to was it. Number we will send the first win you. And landline. It do the Jasuna African Obeka Sawachona. What number be my hour or is why now? And you are. And that's if you're for a last caller. Landline. You see the WhatsApp first week. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me Patrick Frost say.
Roger FM Adra Philip.
Jose.
Adra Philip.
Adra Philip. Okay, it's you.
Me Danyamiasi. My wife. Charity Adra. After me Danyamiasi degree, I know say. Nyango Pari Adom. And change via the Caribbean and to and easy. Takwana de dia namso ekweduma ndanyamia fi bre o de waye ndanyamia tema osofo kwam na aida so ene alligator force team ni nya
okay
afimi tia mi sofo penyi Reverend Juliana abaye da kwa
you
ene na Solomon nyina
all right bye bye. It is now 3:45 now said the last but one caller no I can't be about fraud say amount for years and me patrol me fast as we enfum now you name any now and say amount for what it looks like they say no a quite beer we be fast wa obet media and you be a bunu bia no as or fast crofobia enam na the omo yen say omo time wa if you be I see obi na che say kama bisa na ade no no more that day notice be bon to say omoaje order from court near the abet tare dan hu bebre say ye ma within 21 days a car wo de e wo bank no wan kwan kotua sa e kana ye beton dan no na ye de ate wo kana unim say kuro mu nso nipa bebre e bobo besiane ade and sometimes one hwekra wadwen ma so be kasa bia uno bia wagye ho asem na ye yakoba ne sa no so hurriedly number no mo dey ato say friend on your kasa o friend on your kasa abufuo so no mo catch say no there's no time ya je order from above it here the padlock ba betum asem we am making enra ebisi me am hu ni papa ene to no ai fie no wasakomo no information by na che so mo the padlock akoto dan no main gate no che so untimi enter fie no ene dey notice na bobo ho e bo achire ma lawyer hwehwe mu ni ade afi ko PS akomo no police station no say it is something that has been going on ache say nkrofo bi no so within sa vicinity one now so dey bia yom and there was one woman the woman was crying and no that bonting the woman couldn't go to her own house to sleep because nkrofo the notice ni bia be born no dey padlock atum so she had to go and beg a friend said the obetimi spend the night over there and now pay what they are copies are common police station a report na police for no bama near say share ade a e cost no anko for ye nti wan hwe yi na ki na de sa na apena o pre kakra tu mo pa otilo de ko anya sanso a ye de padlock no betum hu say bia sa efie no enkrofo tent nam ebia mote abrochire ena mo fie no esi wa so bia anim sa so wo de ka bi uji loan bi wo London uji loan bi wa ha ena say it is a obia ma no mo say we no mbogafo afi wo mu na sa 21 days na de ma na ebon no etwam wi a be bie padlock na no mo obia betrem. By the time we be back so ba betran dem no so ye de court order by say na koye manso we twe ho sa twetwa ho abon kasa ye ma yani na ho na mo so amoye sa ne ma mu enti na den ti mu de bia enti say adwen boni say ya na me na sa wo internet so a me nkɔhwɛ ade bi abrofu ya ye hwɛ sɛ de snow to wo kromu a cars finding it difficult to maneuver. Na obehwe obi timi de ka kosa na a sliding sa o control hwenye ye banzan na kopim obi fufuro car ba ku timi pim and now so betimi ma cars be 20 omu nia de be kwa kopim because you don't have control. Enti abrofu na transition ahwa amene omo timi invent ade bi a ayese sa ayi ade yi ase tricycle say bicycle ye timi de fast no so a ye twinti se moto bi you want say eno ne 9 say caterpillar 9 bi no omo developer no bi aye force into the two say ya now the car na run yes so na be show car na tie na say so the car tire will not touch the ground but rather ade na esisu no na no mum na namu set the first no so ni pepepe and you can drive through snow near take set den cry ubetimi the car na for mu akọ. So you just have to buy that thing now fix your car tie na say when there's snow but the snow be anywhere what drive on normal car now the namu amafo dwen pa bi ebetimi aye bebo humanity no ye de bia de ye bedwen de bebu obi de be pra obi de be say obi de be bre obi asenko na before ye dwen aden oh there be ti mo ma yani na ho na ye nya hwe yi bibia sia inform the police quickly na fe ye hwe kwan de be fa so na wan kwan koto enso hwe bi atise mu afi obehu ana wo de ahopepre akotua sika kwa kobo obi na fi ade be china won sesi form ye take note of sadewi pa ya fast da my abo form boy ya me de offend kan ni radia ebro Petra Trust ono de wo so wo boa na daachi wa brabo no atimi akoyie e de ama wo oboa wo se de be ya onkokoro abrem omre wa bom ho enchire wo enuti Petra eboa wo se be ya efficiently ubetimi a control usika no through savings, investment, pensions, and the keka ho nyina na odachi atimi ayefe e de amount enti bomodin aso befre Petra Trust sesia e wo 0242 435 037 and na your website and we achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. You feel no so as they do on your farmer Kojak farmer on my the original pro code. You could see a code and a feel flu. Papa original. I feel almost my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Wouldn't you be aware? Wouldn't you be aware? What would you idea yet there? I see you mu and now dear new well chilled pa now dear hot. Now say fem mono. Obey you Kojak F the toothpaste and mouthwash. Ebejai. What the annual day pa to that crowd who choose your mojaba and now crown they do baby on set. To two pa you Kojak P toothpaste and the mouthwash. Continuously for 4 weeks later no I switch to Kojak F. Bibia bear fine. Ope say yen 10 mawa. I have for Kojak sensitive toothbrush no e boss can right. I available all pharmacy shops I would name across the country. Do pa no. Kojak farm a chair kwan away or can she drug lane. And now phrase 0249 209 920. A phrase 0260 870 780. DBS Industries Limited. Almost so NMI. Quality roofing sheet. a board down society a damage fans and also and say you as I say papa you're the top class quality materials near the eye and you have to be an amount 20-year warranty also what I enjoy 5% discount and to share on the Express Road next to Papa restaurant never get chance to Papa before board down so but me a friend me didn't come out 0577-619-102 I face 0543-286-637 yeah new roof expert no buy101.com adwumaku ene waba na wabie site we ama edwadie ekoso ho fefefe de kama pa me patro ede na wo pato home appliances bi na wo pa na ana wo spare parts ana ope building materials ope asase na ato ana ope dan ato ana kwa ope car ato the place to be buy101.com one na benya sanyama we nyina wa bra bo ne da fom se moton ani ka samson say enema bobo so nyina no onsoso awo bia wo pese wo ton no wo de kɔ hɔ a wonya atɔfo ntem esa se hɔ ena atɔfo anyone a eto anase won a eton no ehia edidwa fefefe kama kra what the wade e ko so kwa akoton so ayenye ohwio e free enti frey e was 0266-637-111 afa 0302-300-472 buy101.com I don't want to some so yasne. Am I the offended kind of radia brel? I will fear Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Sometime be a bon come minim se wo kaya. Malta Guinness for Dharma. I'm a motivator challenge, you know. You can't some word you made here so. And they the best I can watch and watch no more. Send this is a cover. Grand finale Nankasano. A basso den. Hey, na emunche chemuno. Me wa. I was a former Makwaba. Yeah. Now, Bibia Boko there. Nice one. Yeah, then Yamiasipa. And Che Biana, you can't. Yeah, Malta Guinness, motivator. We name motivator, not just a Malta Nababe show. So challenge you can't want some kakra. No, one here, TNS. Grand finale, Nankasankas. Do so. E dey kan refreshing kakra e for fast adwumadi na ebi obi a wantia na ebi hu sa adwumadi na ni so se dey tie no omu na fe yenra grand finale no.
Okay. So now they can no. Somewhere in November this year na the launch Motivator season 2. Yeah. I don't know yet to Accra, Greater Accra, near call Western region. Near Basin call Ashanti region, near call Northern region. So Jumedi ne I can see via when we refer no obstacle challenge and no hundreds of people across all the regions. At the end of the day, you select who is who 10 in all these 4 regions. Now, FA, na yababe grand finale no. I remember so our Accra Saturday. And say no. Nipa 49 you person select best of the best. Oh, okay. You do South Africa. No compete against our
South Africa now. Not just 40 finalists no. Omona nyame ya Adom 19 fi. Omo eba besia kan no. Emu ahina ye be select a nyame ya Adom betimi akọ AC no.
Okay, nti you best select top 6 no.
Top 6.
Yes. Now I'm back AC next month.
Okay.
I'm back compete against a team from Nigeria, a team from Ethiopia, a team from Ivory Coast and Kenya.
Okay.
The 5 countries.
Wow.
And you'll be winning. I'll be walking away with $20,000.
Yeah. And yes, it is wrong.
David dollars.
$20,000. Ultimate winner, no?
Ultimate winner.
Wow, fantastic. But Mami Bisa, a brand like Malta Guinness, then I'm person more achieve through this motivator challenge here, Marco Fadia Bay.
Okay. I'm say serious brand beer or vision and our purpose.
Correct.
Now a vision and a purpose in say what to say you fully the can do attitude of Ghanaians.
Yeah.
I'm so what to treat the same do but if let's say Ghana for your
say you bet me a boy who they say I do meet me a year.
Very good.
Who's I didn't quite or how I now say problem but to me say I do meet me who be my year.
My life and so in such a way say we share challenges now when Johnny now to me confront now overcome one life as a way of rewarding you.
Sure.
I know now your dream say as a brand you did about 30 years for Ghana. How will we continue to engage your consumers or can be so no other brand can do?
Yeah.
With and I feel say motivate and obstacle challenge and relevant. But consumers more appreciate it because it doesn't mean anything to them.
Yeah.
But Ubisa Ghana Nibia or when that's also that better since any and Nuntina my share Sergio Media say invite Ubibia. We invited everybody. So we try na utumi overcome na also I want to na overcome na reward. Yeah.
Wow. Ever since a shots, said the mechanics net here, the share from the contestants, no, the Asian Kwanso be any other, I don't know. And you be a grand finale, such a bebemu na saying that she bene oh.
Okay, match our TF4 na
TF4 just.
So the about Nankupon boy, I remember that say the remember contestants no Akwenya Amadomoye or regional tour no on Befem or first phase. We have 3 different phases. On Befem or first phase, and watch ni be a film to say the audition or be independent film or first phase no. Now I'm moving to a second phase. Also be independent until say we do the final phase, third phase. No, I be selected top 6. I'm very represented Ghana Pan African Challenge. Say selected top 6 now. And so Ghana now won a champion of Ghana no. All prizes are obenya.
Okay.
In South Africa, actually, no Ghana champion, Ubenya, Akwenya, I win BB. Now, of South Africa, so the ultimate price of $20,000, and so young coupon yard man, what's my cocoa. And society crack back second, third phases in him. First phase, na be regional recruitment exercise na year, and on there tested more for than. Said you bit my year, but this time around your day, I dream Juma so kakra. I beg you can. I just ain't quite physical pay. Exactly.
Yeah, I drink kasi. I drink dirty.
Said the bear, you bit me a year a man or every voice. You be separate your mom. I mean, who Oma. You represent Ghana, who's a very fully rounded person. I'll be to represent Ghana because Pan African Challenge, your different games are Obakoye. I involve Adrian.
Mind,
this time around, you've been home and so soon. But I'm person be kind of PDA, so
sure. Say a buzz a surprise to you. Now share how I beat me approach you. But young Kadiba you Krumu party be any pie terms and conditions. But be a before be a Besiano, maybe and you be away so no terms and conditions be the
special terms and conditions. The only caveat I say is when your passport are age
valid passport
or passport
valid passport. Exactly. So the bear kunya banye say wo na wo betimi akọ represent afi mo ntwe na me kopẹ passport. Also na nkrofo ko so ana
Chrome has him. Or passport out.
Yeah.
Or qualified to contest in the final grand finale. Only passport there automatically you are out. Even if say part of the
without the passport
you are out. You will replace with somebody who qualified in next year. Yeah.
All right. Now you share say be more other exciting activities be one most you know who ya nyame admo be this Saturday grand finale na ka say bass no you beat me.
Yeah, obi oba be share agukense ni activity ni nyina oba enye say oba betra o sa hwe ye other exciting activities I be koso.
Okay.
How ubetime involve ohun na wo so awe ni bibi ye wa chede ma omo mba be hwe ni in case oba na agro bi ona ubetime di udi bi champion na so ubetime awe ni bibi.
I'm saying I'm can free.
Okay.
Now Banso I send some more to Asia and there's no way about how you get no one there and I'm 13 at Obiamba no support to contestants. Now also better travel like now so Jenny also be great. Great.
Yeah, better must say Bibi Kakra we
first time use media that it's here for ASEPA for the amazing support of the Motor Guinness. Motor Guinness every 30 years Ghana come November.
Okay.
And then we have surprise package for Ghana. We're celebrating yeah, but there are very few brands or more Ghana already 10 years in part. That's so grow. Yeah. The growth rate of Motor Guinness is quite impressive now. Nina is because of the loyalty and support that you enjoy from Ghanaians. You better massive. Now you better show my boss they should expect more from us. We will continue to find ways to celebrate our success with them.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. And I'm surprised. Nyame Adom Saturday. I will pass through the answers. The BC Aquafa. Why?
Next year, Motivators is in train. You be special wins for journalists.
For journalists, for remember, very presenting. Very presenting. Let's go. But be out of for you. All right. Say something. I have to hit the gym. I'm starting. I'm here. Okay, that's it. Adom 106.5 FM na wasugusu autie na Sabre baby adwenche bi e be hwa asem adi on for na wie real quick na fair dey cancel aso. But before we do that, yen cause one reminder say road safety tip na egusu e dey ma wa na say wonam na say baby a wonam na say sidewalks any one more. Make sure so ben nante wa bra wo face road traffic no. And my car in few chimba and way dangerous. As a BBC, who went to me and dodge why. Sir road safety TP. Guinness Ghana Breweries Limited Adom and the brain with support from VIP Gion Transport Service and Even Mike Multi-Purpose Company Limited Greenfield Scientific About Clinic and so at HB and I a brew. Be that glory, great things he has done. To be my man. Yeah, Baba. Yeah. The patrol Edidier with Pokuya 101 Basso. What Tamas Kitchen, Tema Community 2. On Sunday, the 20th of January 2019. I could be more Tamas Kitchen Swap. Mrs. Azufi London by and chair. And no more quiet Edidier away. Let me say, they obey in Sanopa. When be brutal, it's Bomodia sounds bit me baby Sunday way edidie with Pokuya 101 I want a mask kitchen tema comedy to you brought ebe nyidie nko a dia abomodin ase gold curved LED TVs, printers, kitty tablets, Ubenya de fee, Freddy's Corner, your original papa power try check. Yes, a bonus of that form. You're a check behind the Holy Gardens police station, walk Kwame Nkrumah Circle. And I feel next to Adom Rice Restaurant, walk Kumlemle, Spinchers Road, so your bank, gas furniture. Tema, between Cas. we be sure. Enti unya realize say ade waye I say obi a onu obite na akola ya tunifo wo wiase nyina ya kasa cha gye ɔmo nyaa nkɔn bɛbɔ bra atotɔ nsase asisi dan